Magandang araw Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, Sabah. So welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Pilipinas News Channel nga po pala ulit. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin ang mga breakthroughs ngayon sa technology regarding sa mga panlaban sa mga malalalang sakit kagaya ng cancer, diabetes at mga cellular diseases based, no? Yung mga cells-based diseases like yung cancer nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, at yung mga hindi natin nakikita ng ating mga mata or visually nakikita yung mga sakit. Okay? So sinabi po dito sa Facebook page ng SOMTOM, ang mga researchers, or let me read the content. Researchers have created microscopic smart robots that can work within the human body, representing significant advances in medical technology. For example, Oxford University researchers developed the world's smallest biodegradable lithium-ion battery, which may power tiny adjustable devices for therapeutic purposes. Similarly, MIT engineers have developed batteries small enough to operate cell-sized robots, allowing for tasks such as targeted medicine and administration and interior diagnostics. These developments paved the way for minimally invasive therapies and precise medical interventions, which have the potential to transform healthcare by making operations more effective and less obtrusive. So mga kababayan, sinabi po dito, researchers have developed tiny DNA nanobots designed to exist within the human body. So ito po ay advancement mga kababayan in such a way na yung mga, kung makikita po ninyo sa picture na ito, yung nakikita po ninyo yung bilog na yan na kulay red, ayan po yung mga blood po natin. Yung red blood cell po natin yan. Ibig sabihin, itong mga robots na nakikita po ninyo na may mga galamay, ano? Yan po ay kasing lalaki ng mga blood cell po natin or red blood cell po natin. Ibig sabihin, they are now able to create, mga kababayan, yung mga researchers natin, yung mga engineers natin sa field of medicine ng gantong kaliliit na robots na kayang precisely na pumatay ng mga bad cells sa katawan natin. At itong mga nanobots na ito, pag sinabing nanobots to mga kababayan, ito yung mga microscopic smart robots na sinabi po dito sa SOMCOM based Facebook page, no? At yun po yung isa sa pinakamagandang balita ngayon mga kababayan, na pwede na nilang i-target yung mga sinasabi nating mga cancer cells or yung mga masasama sa katawan natin na cellular ang level na minsan hindi natin kaya, kundi nagtitiwala lang tayo sa immune system at sa mga medicines na ibinibigay. Pero minsan ay failure pa rin mga kababayan dahil nga hindi nakakaya ng ating immune system, dahil nadadaya nila yung immune system natin. So ngayon, with these nanobots, talagang magiging maganda yung takbo ng ating medicine field. Okay? Isa pang balita mga kababayan to strengthen ito pong sinabi sa SOMTOM. Sinabi naman po sa Hashem AI Gaili Facebook page, no? Sabi po dito, scientists made tiny DNA nanobots that can interact with artificial cells. The breakthrough could transform medical research and our understanding of cellular mechanics. These microscopic nanobots are like intelligent programmable machines that can change their shape and create special channels in synthetic cell membranes, allowing large molecules like therapeutic proteins and medicines to pass through with unprecedented precision. Imagine these nanobots as incredibly sophisticated molecular keys that can open and close microscopic cellular doors, giving researchers an entirely new way to manipulate and study cellular environments by mimicking natural cellular behaviors but with simpler, more controllable designs. These DNA nanobots represent a groundbreaking approach to understanding and potentially treating complex diseases. Researchers are particularly excited because these nanobots can precisely control molecular movement, offering a revolutionary tool for developing targeted therapies that could potentially treat conditions by directly interacting with and modifying cellular structures. This technology opens up exciting possibilities in fields like drug delivery, genetic research, and personalized medicine, where the ability to precisely manipulate cellular environments could lead to more effective and less invasive treatments for a wide range of medical conditions. They could also play a crucial role in developing more advanced diagnostic tools, creating biological systems, and provide deeper insights into cellular processes. So, scientists created microscopic intelligent machines to live inside the human body. So, parang yung sa Somcom Facebook page din mga kababayan ay naka-create po sila and naguunahan po sila sa mga nanobots ngayon. Okay, ibig sabihin po ng nanobots, ito po yung mga maliliit na small robots na intelligent and smart na they can live within our body kasi nga cellular level naman po sila, hindi natin nahahalata, hindi natin napapansin, but they are doing something inside our body na nakokontrol po ng mga tao outside at yung pong mga scientists nakokontrol po nila and they can target and destroy yung mga cells na hindi nakakatulong or mga bacteria, viruses na hindi nakakatulong sa ating mga pangangatawan. So lastly mga kababayan, dito po sa SomTom, Facebook page pa rin, Figure AI, a California-based robotics business, has revealed intentions to produce 100,000 humanoid robots over the next 4 years. Brett Adcock founded the company in 2022 and it specializes in AI-powered humanoid robots for manual labor and logistics. In January 2024, Figure AI received $675 million in fundraising from investors including Jeff Bezos, Microsoft, Nvidia, Intel, and OpenAI, valuing the company at $2.6 billion. Now, the business has also collaborated with BMW to install humanoid robots in car manufacturing facilities. So, US company set to manufacture 100,000 humanoid robots in the next 4 years. So, ito na po yung sinasabi ko mga kababayan, no? Now, with the breakthrough of technology in the field of medicine, in the field of technology, talaga namang pati yung AI, in the field of AI or artificial intelligence, talaga namang nag-a-advance po yung mundo natin. And we need to be careful din mga kababayan dahil maraming mga negative and or pros and cons yung mga bagay na ito na lumalabas sa mundo natin ngayon. AI, robotics, humanoid robots. So of course, meron pong negative and positive effects itong mga ito. So subaybayan po natin mga kababayan ng mga mangyayari updates sa mga new breakthroughs na ito regarding sa health and regarding sa technology. So once again, no, kung nagustuhan po ninyo yung ating video ngayon, yung ating news, ay paki-subscribe na po ninyo ang channel na to at paki-like na din po ang ating video para sa ngayon. At subukan po natin na magkaroon ng 200 to 500 likes ang video na to. Tulungan nyo po yung video na to na of course umunlad po. So maraming salamat. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Pilipinas News Channel. Shoutout po sa mga magigiting natin na tagapagsubaybay. Once again, this is Pilipinas News Channel. Peace out.